That's one idea you should know. Hotel tourism also can get ITA. Also ITA for tourism project. Now what is hotel tourism? Is you have hotel, you modernize your hotel. You can claim ITA. Got it?
Got it.
Okay. Or you have a tourism project. Do you know what's a tourism project?
Tourism project.
Pelancongan.
Tempat pelancongan. Example?
Bali.
No, Melaka.
Malaysia ke saya?
Melaka got one tourist project. No, not there.
Disneyland, sir.
There is no Disneyland in Melaka. Please, There is Sentosa. Famosa. Famosa. Legoland. Legoland is tourism project. Genting Highland. That one is hotel. Then they do tourism project.
Bukit Merdeka.
Cameron is a place. It's not a tourist project. Tourist project is done by a company to attract people to come and visit and all that. So like Legoland, Famosa, Genting, all of these are tourist project. Okay. Are you clear with this project? Yeah. So that one they build. That's why you can see they put bird inside also can claim. They buy the bird also is a QCE. Buy bird, animal, buy tiger, all that put inside.
I thought it's only machinery.
Sir, kalau premium outlet Genting.
Yes, can. Because the premium outlet can. That's why there's one I think retail park somewhere in Subang. On the way to Subang Airport, the Subang. That can fall into tourist project.
Sama lah, macam JPO.
Okay automation or labor incentive tak payah tengok. Cancel.
Siapa tadi?
Cancel.
Biasa semua lah.
Automation labor incentive cancel.
This one just special for automation. I just tell you what it is lah. No need to stress yourself. Just idea is they get special allowance for automation in labor. They can accelerate 100% for capital allowance, 100% for up to 4 million and 2 million, and they can claim allowance for automation. AEA is allowance for automation. Got it? That's all. But got cap lah. The cap is the amount 4 million, 2 million. You can spend up to 4 million or 2 million. Alright? Okay. Just be aware of it. Nothing more than that. Go to work, maybe somebody talk about it, you know what it is.
Okay.
Now, the other one that you have here is export incentive. Export incentive, there are 3 export incentive. Allowance for increased export, allowance for significant increase in export, and Malaysian MITC, Malaysian International Trading Company. No, this one. Jangan ikut.
Semua nak
Ikut.
Okay, International Trading Company incentive is to grow large Malaysian trading company. Okay, a company can be approved as MITC is eligible for tax incentive. Eligibility, this one must get letter from Matrix, not MIDA, Matrix. Okay, these are the conditions. Company is incorporated in Malaysia, 60% share capital owned by Malaysians, so must be ownership by Malaysians. Annual sales more than 10 million, not more than 20% sales of trade or commodity. Company uses local services for banking, finance, insurance. Then it's eligible to claim for MITC exemptions. The exemption is tax exemption 20% of value of increased export. Limit to 70% of statutory income. So the allowance you can claim is 20% of increase in export. Got it? Incentive period is 5 years from the year it is qualified. Can carry forward unused allowances. Okay. What is the definition of export? Export sales is derived from export of local, imported goods, commodity, but exclude any trading commission. Profit derived from commodity exchange, sales to free industrial zone or licensed manufacturing. Value of increased export means different on FOB value. Okay, for a period be immediately preceding basis, it means just 1 year before berapa. Just I'll calculate the difference. Related party, a trading company can be set up within a group to export goods manufactured by a related company, is still eligible. So you can go interco. You can set up a company, call it MYTC, and then send all the goods there to be exported. Okay, so there is no mutual exclusion to other incentive. Example, Singa Senang Berhad is a MITC, has achieved qualification required for income tax qualification. It has the following information: value of FOB given, statutory income given already. Now they also say they give you statutory income, so no need to put AI already. Previous calculation put AI, then CA, then SI, correct? So this one straight away. How much is the increase? How much is the increase, guys?
6 million.
6 million. 6 million times? No, not 6 million times 70%. This one is RM 6 million times how many percent? 20%. Equals to RM 1.2 million allowance. Got it? So that's the MITC allowance. Okay, now the MITC allowance, then you have to calculate how much is it. So it becomes 3.6, RM 3.6 million minus how much? Maximum? Can minus 1.2 no? Times 70%, what do you get? 70% of 3.6 million?
$720K.
70% of 3.6 million should be how much?
Oh, 70%.
2.52 million.
2.52 million. So can minus everything. RM 1.2 million. Same principle lah. Lower of allowance at 70%. RM how much? Here become 2.4 million chargeable income. Okay, that's it. This is the allowance, correct? Clear? Okay. However, if the statutory income is 900,000, RM 900K minus 70% of 900K is going to be RM 630K only, equals to RM 270K, right?
Yes.
Okay. Then carry forward will be the difference. 1.2 minus 630 is going to be 570K.
So, yang 30,000 tu daripada mana?
Which one?
630K.
70%, right?
70% from chargeable income.
Of statutory income. They say if statutory income is 900,000, so your maximum 70% is 630, right? 630 versus 1.2, which one lower?
Tak,
630K and 1.2 million, which one lower?
630K.
So minus the 630K, got it? Then whatever balance unused, carry forward lah. Okay, are you clear on the principle? Can. So it's not that complex, like it's a simple idea of 70% lock. Are you clear? Can I move on? And you must know what is the percentage. Follow up. What is the percentage here? Now let's move on. Okay, we're done with this one. Have a look at this one, Toshiba. Toshiba is owned by Toshiba PLC, 35%, and then we got Sini Sana Senang Berhad, 65%. Company has 10% of their sales related to palm oil. All sales information product is below is free on board. All exports are shipped out of Port Klang and the whole port. Company uses Maybank for their banking insurance. So basically ticking the requirement. Are you clear now? Okay, item in sales. You got domestic sales, you got export sales, all the export sales here. You got licensed manufacturing sales, trading commission, statutory income from business, statutory income from interest. Okay? Okay. And I got approved donation. Calculate total income for 2009. Discuss eligibility. Is it eligible for MYTC? Okay, Toshiba first. This one is what company? Toshiba. because one, okay. Can? Are you okay?
So what does it mean by insurer?
Insurance company.
Insurance company. Okay. Revenue and approve from market.
Okay.
And approve.
Now, how much is the calculation? How much is the MYTC allowance? Calculate lah. This one yes, this one yes, this one yes, this one no, this one no. Okay, done. How much is the increase? Increase how much?
400, 600, 300. Need to total up ke sir? 2,300. Okay, 400.
Kira kosong ya.
7 million minus 6 million, correct?
Yes.
Is it 1 million?
Yes.
Yeah, I think 1 million times 20%. Okay, are you going to follow? Hey guys, what do you get? So over here, how much is the SI? Statutory income for 2019 is 250, yes or no? 250,000. Okay, MYTC will be either 200k or
Ada 200k or 170.
so it's 175, yes or no? Okay, are you clear how to get the 175? Yes, no?
70% from 250.
Yeah, 70%. Remember, I already told you, right? Always is the same rule. Right? Remember the rule? It's always the higher or the lower of the allowance or 70% of SI, correct?
Yes.
So the revised SI is going to be, then you got interest. Interest how much? Interest is 10,000. Are you all okay? So aggregate income is donation how much?
Donation 5.
So how much can deduct? Maximum can deduct 8,500. So here the maximum is 5,000. That's your answer. Done. Are you okay in this part?
Pusat ini tambah dengan interest.
Interest income ialah.
Punya interest.
Dia ada interest income kan? Dia dah tulis statutory income, not interest cost. Are you okay? Can I move on? Okay, next one we're going to is called tax incentive for increased export of manufactured goods and agricultural produce. Allowance for increased export. Allowance for increased export. Okay. Promote export increase for resident company that's engaged in manufacturing of agriculture, export manufactured product, agriculture product. Incentive is 10% of value of increased export provided goods exported achieve 30%. Here, exempt 15% of value of increased export if the goods, the value added achieve 50%. Are you okay this part? So the allowance is 10% of export increase or 15% of export increase. Are you clear? But condition they must hit value add target. Value add target. Got it? Now, exemption of statutory income equivalent to 10% of value of increased export of agriculture produce by company. So if it's agriculture produce, it's 10%. Are you clear? So if you are a manufacturer of good and you got value add, then you see how much is your value add. Okay. Maximum 70% of statutory income. So basically the incentive is
50%.
increase in export times 10% or 15%. Got it? Got it? Applied. Are you clear? When you get 10%, when the value add is 20%. When you get 30%, sorry, 30%. 30%, but SME is 20%. If SME, the value add limit lower a bit.
Yang 50% untuk SMP saya.
This one, no. Both also
20%.
is 10%. For normal company, 30% value add. For SME is 20%. Here, exempt 15%. For normal company, must achieve value add 50%. For SME is 40%. That's all. Agriculture means 10% flat. No value add. Okay, can carry forward unused one. Mutually exclusive. This incentive, mutually exclusive. That means once you take this, you cannot take the other ones. Okay? Of course, there are things that are excluded. All these are excluded. Negative listing, rubber, copra, and all that. Incentive period. There is no finite period for AIE. Company may qualify for incentive as long as the condition is met. As long as they got increased export, they can claim. As long as they got increase in export, they can claim this incentive. But if they claim this incentive, they cannot claim other incentive. Got it? They claim this incentive, they cannot claim other incentive. Okay, now First Rembahat is a wood-based company resident in Malaysia. Produces plywood slab and agricultural produce, manufacture chairs, high-grade paper for security printing. It has been agreed the tax authority, the sales revenue from all three products is a single business source. So they treat it as single source. First Rembahat has granted pioneer status for security paper, but tax relief ended in 2017, so no more already. Relevant details of the current period are same. You've got domestic sales, you've got export sales. Chair 35%, value add, security paper is 60% value add, correct? And then you got sales to free industrial zone, which is ignored. Remember, this one normally ignored. So only these two you can take. Got it? Okay. Statutory business income given. Now discuss eligibility. Is it eligible? Is it eligible? Answer is, to check eligibility, to be eligible, what must you do?
First check 30%.
Can ah? Okay, how, you want to check the value add? How much is the value add? Yeah, how much? 2018?
35%.
You must calculate 35% and 550 plus 60% times 800, what do you get? So, are you okay?
Macam mana dapat sini?
You multiply 550 times 35, 800 times 60 is the value add lah. Ha? Dah campur dua ni. Okay? Okay, do you understand how to get the numbers? 51%, 53%. This is basically, you are given two products. You are asked for the company. What is the company's value add? If I got two products, it's called weighted average method. You understand the concept of weighted average? If I got two products, I have to weight the whole thing. So cut times, divide lah, to get the average. Understand what I mean? The average, right? Average, I just can't take 35 plus 60 times divide by 2. That's not correct. 35% plus 60% because the sales is different. So I have to multiply with the sales, then get the average. That is called concept of weighted average, which you studied before in finance, weighted average cost of capital. It's the same idea.
Management account.
FM, financial management.
Oh, betul.
Alright, so you studied in financial management, weighted average cost of capital. Same idea, concept wise. If I got average like that, I have to weight it. Berat. The weight changes. Got it? Okay. So, are you clear on the first set of numbers here? Yes, no? All clear? Understand the concept, no? The idea behind it. The idea here is I need to find the value add for the company. But the company got two products. So I need to combine it and find an average. Okay, that's this part. Okay. Once I know that, I can then get my value add percentage for the company. Once I know that one, I can then go back again and look at the conditions here. What was the condition? 30% is 10. 50% is 15. Understand the rule now? So I can now say, well, this is below 50, therefore it is 10%. This is above 50, therefore it is 15%. Okay, are you clear?
Yes.
Now, the other thing you need to know for this one is that increase in export. So how much is the allowance? Well, we don't know the increase in export in 2018, so we ignore 2018 because we don't have 2018 increase, correct? We don't have a number before that, yes or not? If I don't have a number before that, I can't really calculate anything. Follow? So I calculate for 2019 and 2020. So how much is the increase? Well, I'll just look at these numbers only. So the increase is, remember, here. So I can calculate the increase. Increase in export. Going to be how much? Minus with
1650.
1650, yes or not? Okay, are we okay in this part? Can?
Cancel.
And here also 300. So 2019 is going to be, answer is going to be how much? The allowance is going to be 1650 times with 15%. What do you get? You should get how much?
247.5.
247.5. Are you okay this part? Then allowance in 2020 is going to be 300, so it's going to be I think 45, yes or no? Are we okay so far? Can you get the 247.5 and 45? Yes, no? It's based on the increase in the export.
45 tu dapat macam mana, sir?
Huh?
45.
300 times 15% lah.
Oh, okay.
Okay? Okay, can I move on? Okay, the next one. Statutory income for 2019 is 300 and 300 and
And
400. Okay, how much AIE I get put here? Anybody know? How much I can deduct? How much I can deduct, guys? Maximum? Maximum is 247.5. No, that's lower off one. Same principle, lower off. Remember? Answer should be
Yang 210 tu, I dapat. And then nak comparekan dengan apa?
247.5. The allowance for the year. The allowance for the year. The allowance for the year is 247.5. Are you okay so far? Can? Got it? Can? Now the next one here, how much maximum? Here got 45, here got 37.5. The maximum you can minus is
82.5.
87.5. Do you know how to get 87.5? Yes, no? 37.5? No, sorry, not 87.5. How much is it? Minus 37.5. Should be 82.5. Can you get 82.5? Can I?
Yep. Oh.
Okay, done. Here will be are you okay this one? Can? Do you know how to get 82.5? Yes, no?
Yes.
37.5 plus 45. Remember, carry forward. Always carry forward.
Yes.
Carry forward your allowance, 87.5 versus 400 times 70%. Of course, lower off one. Are you clear? Can? All okay? Done? Okay, next idea is this one here, which is a more advanced version of that one. Exemption for income for significant increase in export. This is keyword, significant increase. There are 3 levels here, okay? If you do this, you have 30, 50, 100%. The allowance, first time you saw 10, 15, correct? Based on value add.
Yes.
And you saw MYTC got 20, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
This one, if you achieve a certain target, they give you more. If you achieve more than 50% increase in export, they give you 30%. They give you 30% exemption on the increased export. If you break a special market, which market got the list, they give you 50% of the export increase. If you achieve any export excellence award or some kind of award for being very good in export, you get 100%. This is the government want to promote you to export. Okay, are you clear? The 3 levels here? One is 50% sales, export increase. Number 2, break certain market. Number 3, get award. Each one got higher level, 30%, 50%, 100%. Are you okay? Right. Restriction is 70%, this one same. I think you know the 70% rule. You got an exempt account, which can give 2-tier exemption. You must keep separate accounts. If you take this one, you cannot claim if you have other incentive. This is mutually exclusive. Again, this is the items which are excluded. What are the items excluded? That means if you export all of this, you cannot claim. You export all of this, you cannot claim. Okay. Next, have a look at this part. Okay, Randall, so remember, it's a local resident company, makes an export shoes to US, has the following sales. Okay, export sales 5 million, 10 million, 14 million, 18 million. Then achievement, they enter new market here, they get an award here. Got it? Statutory income given here. Okay, now, how much is the allowance? Okay, the allowance under ASE. Okay, calculate the taxable income after exemption. Discuss implications. This one I might no need. I'm going to cancel this one. Okay. Calculate the taxable income after exemption and amount carry forward. Allowance for 2014 okay, can you calculate? Okay, notice that the calculation is exactly the same. The step is the same. Got it? Step is the same. Only thing change is the percentage. So this one going to be, see 50%, right? So 50% means 50% increase, right? 50% increase. This is actually more than 50%. This is actually 100% increase already, correct?
Yes.
Okay, so achieve how much you get here? 1.5 million, correct? Okay, are you okay this part? Yes, no? Then here you achieve are you okay? So this one is going to be 50% times, how much is the increase? 4 million, correct? Are you okay this part? Okay, last one is achieve award 100% times with 4 million. Okay, are you okay this part? Yes, no? Okay, are you okay in the allowance calculation? Yes, no? Understand the allowance calculation? Yes, no.
Liter.
It's just achieving a target. Here to here, increase export. I already put the conditions up here already. 1, 1, 2, 3. This is just to show you. 1 is this one. 2 is this one. 3 is this one. Are you clear? Then you calculate only the increase. How much is the increase? Got it? How much is the increase? Follow? Here 5 million increase, here 4 million increase, here 4 million increase. Got it?
So time dengan exemption.
Yeah, time with the rate.
Rate yang exemption then.
The rate here was the
50%,
30%, 50%, and 100%. Okay, are you clear the logic now? Follow? Okay. Then I already give you the SI 121921, correct? 121921. Okay, now you fill it out. Same rule. What's the rule? 70% of SI or allowance, whichever lower. Got carry forward not? Of course you don't use means you carry forward lah. Are you okay? Done. How much is the first one? Yep. Chargeable is going to be done. Exempt going to be 840. Carry forward going to be got 660 now. Yes, no? Did you get 660 guys? Huh? Can I get 660? 1.5 million what? You use 840 what? Balance carry forward lah. Okay, fill up the rest. You understand how to get the first line ready, right? Done? Okay, can you get that number? Yes, no? Can?
Yang allowance carry forward tu 960,000 tambah dengan
Got 1330 no?
dengan kosong tambah dengan 1370
Madonna.
660 tambah 670. Kan?
Did you get all these numbers?
yang present 70.
This one ah? Add up? Add your exemption. When I add, I always put minus here. Are you okay so far? Can?
Editor.
Yeah, 660 here.
1.5 million tolak dengan 800.
40, 840.
Tolak dengan satu
1.5 tolak 840. Dapat mana?
This one.
So kalau yang 1330 tu ambil je kan? 130.
Not this number, it's different. It's 660 plus with 4 million, 2 million, then minus with 1330.
So dia ibarat macam tolak, ditambah balik dengan 60 kan?
660 plus dengan
2 million.
Kira macam sama je macam yang atas tu, tapi tambah balik dengan atas ni 60. So 670 tambah 660.
Okay, can you get this 1330? Repeat. How to get? 660
660
plus 2 million
2 million
minus 1330 equals this. Okay, this 3860 is 1330 plus 4 million minus 1470. You should get this. Got it? If you want to see account for that one, you do like this lah. Worst case scenario, yeah.
Macam ni.
sama macam 130.
This one is 1500, correct?
4 million kan.
Then here is
Mimi tadi. Ada nak senang. Balik tu dia macam atas tu yang kosong. Cuma balik balik yang atas tu. Sebab kalau balik tu dia yang nombor 2. Nombor 2 tu kan peminat 2 million minus 1,330 kan. Okey. So dapat 670 kan?
Sekejap. Ni.
Ni, mai kita nak tunjuk.
Are you clear?
2 million.
Ambil gambar. Sekejap saya. Ambil gambar.
Are you clear now?
Balik. So 2 million.
Understand now?
Okay, 2 million tu 2015. Okay. Tolak dengan 1,330.
Number one.
Dapat AIE tu. So dapat 670.
sebab tak
Benda tu kan mungkin
dengan
buat.
1.5 150.
Benda tu kira buat senang balik.
1.5 million.
Dapat 1,330.
So all 000, got it?
Sama macam bawah
Mana?
juga. So 4 million.
Okay,
Jadi 4 million.
next one.
Tolak dengan 1,470.
Satu 470.
This one, just be aware, I'm not going to ask you this in the exam. Just be aware, you can get double deduction when you incur cost for promoting export. Double deduction if you incur cost for promoting export. Okay, done. So what is it that you can get double deduction? All of these are the items you can get promotion, export promotion. That is like public advertisement overseas, supply sample overseas, you prepare tender overseas, you participate in exhibition, you maintain sales office overseas, or you get packaging services for overseas. All of this you can claim double deduction. Okay, that's about double deduction. Okay, I think that's about this chapter done already. Okay, this chapter done. R&D, I'm not testing, so I don't want you to be worried about it. Are you okay? R&D, I'm not testing. There is a concept called R&D.
So, is the double deduction here the same as the double deduction in business income?
Yes.
Or
This is the same double deduction. Just be aware of it. You already study in business income. So this double deduction, the most it can come out is in your company tax.
Oh, this one can.
This one can come out in company tax. Double deduction can come out in
Okay.
company tax. Deduction semua come out in company tax. So double deduction can come out in company tax. Okay. R&D also, I repeat again, R&D also can come out in double deduction. Company tax. Okay, just be careful. This one are the incentive, which is either pioneer status, ITA. This one I'm not going to ask. Okay, I'm not going to ask you an R&D company, so I don't need to be worried. But the double deduction can come out. Approve R&D double deduction. Okay, and can claim capital allowance on the. Pay attention, can claim capital allowance on the thing, but it's separate. Separate capital allowance. You must calculate the capital allowance separately, not together. If the machine or the factory 10% used for R&D, the 10% must take out and calculate separately. Cannot join together. Are you clear or not? Quite important to know that one. So the R&D and the promotion, double deduction important, and the capital allowance understanding important. That's it. I'm not testing the incentive aspect. Okay. That closes the incentive aspect for this paper, or what is examinable. So what it is examinable for you is one of this, ITA, RA, MYTC, AISE, either one of this.
Udahnya kulit.
Salah satu ni sebelum makan rasa.
One of this is for 10 marks.
So we need to study all.
Of course lah.
Sir, bagi dua option ni.
Tak boleh. I dah narrow for you already.
Narrow down a bit more.
No, dah narrow dah. ITA, RA, MITC, AIE, ASIE.
Sir, tak ada establishment kan?
Which one?
Untuk semua ini.
Tak ada.
So this one ada dekat.
No other extra question. God. Where God? Of course God in the system.
So, sir, soalan lebih kurang yang dalam ni. Dalam
Something similar. Something similar.
Something
Got it?
similar got me headache.
You must know what you study here. Okay? I gave you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Got it? One area. Bukan it's just for one. That means one area, 10 marks. Could be ASIE, could be AIE, could be MITC, could be RA, could be ITA. One.
One.
Okay. The next one. Trust estate no need to worry. Tak keluar. Okay, however,
unit trust macam mana?
unit trust harus keluar. Unit asset REIT keluar.
Tadi saya cakap
REIT, asset REIT keluar.
REIT.
Belum bagi Melayu.
Unit trust tak kan? Tak kan?
Masuk ke start?
Okay, let me just go to unit trust first. I skim through unit trust. Unit trust. Unit trust. You all know what is unit trust, right? ASB ya.
24.
Amanah Saham Berhad. ASB is unit trust.
ASB.
Are you clear?
Yes.
This is for unit trust company, yeah. This is tax for unit trust company. Are you clear? So unit trust company, the rule is the residence of unit trust is trust body. Follow trust. Okay, follow trust. So trust in chapter 7 you study already. So follow the trustee. Okay? Okay. Deductibility of expense. You can only deduct direct expense. Only deduct direct expense. All other expense not allowed. All other expense not allowed. Okay. Unit trust, other expenses are called permitted expenses. Same like investment holding company. I repeat that. So unit trust behave very similar to IHC because both also holding investment. Unit trust also hold investment. IHC, investment holding company, also hold investment kan? So they also have something called permitted, notice that, permitted expenses such as manager remuneration, maintenance of register, share register, all this is permitted expenses. Therefore, you are given a special deduction for the expenses referred to as permitted expense. So the calculation for permitted expense, you got aggregate income, you got any special deduction, you got donations. Okay. Now the special deduction is this one. The special deduction allowed for unit trust is basically A times B over 4C. You remember this formula? In investment holding company. IHC. Remember IHC? IHC chapter 1, chapter 1.
Yang ni keluar ke?
Yang ini? Tak, I just explaining only. Don't stress yourself out. I already told you, I'm just giving you an overview.
I was
So,
confused.
and 10% of permitted expense. So, it's 10% of permitted expense or A times B over 4C. Okay, are you clear with that? This is the calculation. Okay, then I'm not doing all these calculations, no need to worry about it. Okay, now I'm going straight to read. Okay, this one coming up for exam.
Hari ni apa sekolah apa?
Sekarang.
Dah habis je.
Masa yang hari Rabu tu sampai kan?
Kelas hari Rabu is until exam date.
Sampai exam.
No, I don't think I will be able to have another Rabu class. I only have one more Rabu class. This Rabu.
And then?
Then after that I have to see you
And then
online.
next week
online.
Monday. Online.
I have to see you online already. Anything I'll see you on Saturday, Sunday online.
Today.
Saturday, Sunday online. Okay.
Yang pentingnya nanti.
Okay, now, so my suggestion is you do the questions. Oh yeah, I forgot. I better do attendance first.
Yes.
Yes. All that is inside here. Hold on, question practice. I already put here. I said revision. There. This one. Please remember, inside here, the questions can come out. The similar style. For individual tax, capital allowance. Remember, individual tax, capital allowance, RPGT, the questions lebih kurang from here. Got it? Yeah. Now, the next one.
Saya ada sekali answer kan? Answer.
Yeah, this one. This is the answer.
Dah.
This video.
Oh.
This is all videos, you know.
Dekat revision.
Dah orang nak dah buka lagi.
Huh? This one is videos. You go to the answer straight.
What about the to do, sir?
Which one?
The spec.
Okay.
Spec to be done tu. Yang tu tu. Untuk apa sir? This one.
This one tax estimate, RPGT. So never know.
No need to watch. Because our senior told us to watch like the question to be done.
Yang mana satu yang
Yang mana nak kena tengok je.
Tak apa, unpublish for you so that you are headache with it. This one important. The revision one.
The revision, okay.
Okay, the revision is important. Knowledge check also okay, but advanced tax. Here you can look for.
Wow.
The group,
Macam tak rasa tak sempat buka ni.
group relief you can do. Schedule 3
Eh,
allowance
how?
incentive can do.
Okay, bala.
Advance tax tu.
Huh?
Advance tax.
Service tax treatment can do all the service tax questions in here. Service tax and sales tax. Okay. Reinvestment allowance.
Banyak
You said
gila.
got no question practice. Got. All got. All here. Got it? There's the question. There's the answer. Are you clear?
Mm-hmm.
Can I'm just telling you which questions you have to go through.
Oh,
Reinvestment allowance.
Just it.
Tax incentive, yes.
Incentive.
Okay.
Re-engagement allowance.
The allowance for increased export. You can see now.
Apa sah?
Allowance for increased export. Service tax. Okay, touch lah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, service tax here can touch. There is a bit of RPGT here and there. There one RPGT here. Okay, that's about it. So you don't need to touch every single thing here. I repeat. QBE qualifying plant touch.
QPE.
QBE qualifying building expenditure touch.
QPE.
Taxation on non-resident touch. Qualifying expenditure touch. Let me see inside here sama pun anything else not. Sama tak payah.
Insentif tu kena tak kena?
Which one?
Insentif.
Incentive cover if PS no need.
Oh,
Okay, I think those are the big ones that you should be aware of. This one cover. Mega REIT.
Mega REIT.
So yang tadi kan reinvestment allowance, lagi satu allowance apa tadi?
Which one? REIT, I think got one here. REIT, okay. Then you got this one lah here, group relief cover all. All. Group relief I go through now. I'll go through a little bit now. This Wednesday I'll finish up group relief already. So my suggestion, you see this one. This one, sales service tax cover everything. Employment income cover. Okay, can employment income cover because individual ada keluar. Got it? Okay. I think that's about it. Yeah, that's about it. Are you okay?
So tax admin tak ada sir?
Tax admin, not a real heavy duty question, so no need to worry about it.
Tapi keluar lah.
No. It's macam
Not heavy.
it's there not there lah. It's there not there.
Boleh
lah.
ignore lah.
It's there not there lah. Tax admin is actually let me just tell you what tax admin here is. Here basically it talks about, okay, let me just touch base. There's nothing about Islamic finance coming out. I'm not asking you Islamic finance. Have you studied Islamic finance before? Al-Mudarabah, Al-Musyarakah, Al-Baitil. Kau study tak?
Service A.
Ni chapter berapa?
Cukup dah tu. Dah belajar kan tak? Okay,
Tax.
tick. Okay. Personal financing, you know right? What is it?
I don't know.
How to become rich. Do you need to study how to become rich? Yes, sir.
Islamic
Nina,
finance
you are
tak
already
keluar.
rich.
Tak keluar.
Okay, this one basically when you advise people where to put their money, how you have to consider what as the item they invest, what is the benefit. Like buy real estate, buy REIT, buy shares, buy insurance, buy commodity, have a career plan, buy collectibles like
Options.
Pokemon cards, okay,
Pokemon
options. Okay, so this two okay this one I say tick okay knowledge you know this one you understand you can advise
Yeah.
people to do things. Okay. This one ethics you should know already. You study in your
Audit.
Same, not an issue. Okay. This one is when you want to buy asset, you can buy, you can HP, you can lease, and you have something called deem lease. Lease is a deem sale. Okay.
So
This paper didn't have any questions in this, so I'm not talking about it.
LLP?
LLP tak.
Tax
No.
advisory pun tak?
Apa tu?
Tax advisory.
Also tak. Okay, this one buying, share deal, asset deal. This is what I talked about earlier on. Okay, share deal, asset deal. What's the difference? This is right of taxpayer. What is the rights and what is the error mistake relief? How to claim that? Power of DG, liabilities of directors, responsibilities of ITA, payer for ITA, RPGT. Okay, this one, yes, this one, remember this, this one already in your RPGT. This one's already in your RPGT, so it's just repeat. You can know it's repeating, so not stressful.